Hello, my friends or everybody who can follow me. Today I am to show everybody is a human face drawing. Everybody can follow me, and then you will be right. We will be gathered knowledge uh, to draw human face. I am using an in hand. You can follow my hand. It's actually wash is hard work. This pastel. It's very hard, but it uh, maybe to try to draw. I think this good. Um, um, I'm working this pastel because it's very easy to. I can I buy is near my house is one shop is and it's writing paid and I am always like to study in outdoor. This is I'm stand by one natural uh, human house site. Here I find a one little boy to I draw. Um, um, it's I take to 30 minutes and now I it's close is 9 minutes. It took quick this quickly to looking about everybody. Um, it's you can I don't draw drawing fast. It's I start is to eye and nose and then mouth and it's a yellow color and brown color. Bangladeshi people is always brown, but this little boy is yellow color, look like European people. Um, this is here is first time is using brown because all over here is green color in top of a tree, and another side of somebody can um, put his cloth to um, uh, roof. This way is reflection is here. All reflection you can follow because reflection color is very important to draw. Here human face is some or light blue or green and yellow brown next to mixed all over. Is a color distribute is main fact of human face, and need to put out light shade and sunlight. Here outdoor is I am working on sunlight. You can uh, um, try to put out light and shade, and light shade sunlight is some yellow and um, all are reflection get together, and you can follow me and try. um, I think who can will be start art school or art institute, and you can done already BFA MFA. You can follow me and maybe actually every artist all you have um, already done your degree, but you need to follow um, because every artist need to follow um, uh, one artist to another artist and can grow and gather to your knowledge, then you can start. And artists need to always draw, and you can all about to round, and you need to always a hand is a pencil or pastel or one book, then you can draw then build your art um, knowledge. and you don't follow, you can gradually um, increase, um, or fold, or you can follow, then you build your increase your knowledge, then you artist. um, Artist actually his full life is need to draw, then you can, art is main part, drawing is main part, for artist. Always you can draw, then you build your um, and here art, um, you can make art. Here need perspective, you can draw human face, face to face, then this eye, two eye is um, uh, uh, one eye to another eye equal to, and you can some um, um, you can draw some angle there, one face is a little bit big, and then another eye is little perspective view, slowly uh, short, and this type is nose is one part is big and another part is very little, something little. This mouth is here is drawing sometime angle to change, and this you can follow. Same this human face is a two part, you can, one part is big and another part is really literally a little. Okay, you can follow my roop is pastel is roop, what's way, and follow, um, and follow me and learn. You can gather to knowledge, art knowledge, and you can maybe gradually increase your artist life, and you are big artist, master artist. And I think everybody to like my this drawing. You can like and subscribe my channel, um, and you pray to me, everybody to ongoing life is good. I am prayer to everybody. Um, uh, okay, uh, and here everybody can follow me. This is tone. This tone is dimensional tone. Which way and where a human face up and down, and you can put out here dimensional tone, because nose is near and mouth is to near artist eye, so you can put character tone and build this. Okay, thanks for everybody.